Hey, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to United Flight 1597 with service over to San Francisco. My name is Jocelyn, and I'll be your purser on today's flight. Thank you to our Mileage Plus members for your loyalty and to all customers for choosing to fly with us today. Our entire night team is here to make sure you have a great flight. While service is our passion, safety is our top priority, so we ask that you please take a minute to review the safety card that is located at your seat. And please also pay attention to the following safety video, even if you are a frequent flyer, because each aircraft type is different.
Performing exit row functions and assisting in an emergency, please ask a flight attendant to be moved. If you must evacuate the aircraft, exit path lights on or near the floor will illuminate and guide you to the exit. Look for a change in color or an exit sign to indicate that you have reached the exit. For everyone's safety, leave all carry-on bags behind. Please refer to the safety card near your seat for the operation of the exit doors in this aircraft.
Oxygen masks will drop from a compartment above your seat and sealing compartments in the lavatories. If a strap appears and you cannot reach the mask, pull down on the strap to access your mask. Firmly pull the mask to extend the plastic tubing and start the flow of oxygen. Place the mask over your nose and mouth, slip the elastic band over your head, and tighten the straps. The bag may not inflate while oxygen is flowing. Make sure your mask is secure before helping others.
Should you need it, you will find a life vest equipped with the water-activated light in a pouch under, between, or next to your seat. When directed, pull the tab to remove the pouch. If present, remove the strap around the pouch. Tear open the pouch, move, and unfold the vest. Close your head, wrap the belt around your waist, and secure the buckle in front. Hold it loose and tight. Inflate your vest just prior to exiting the aircraft by pulling down sharply on the red tag. You can also inflate the vest by blowing into the tube.
This aircraft is also equipped with infant life vests, which will be distributed if necessary.
Smoking, vaping, using e-cigarettes, or smokeless tobacco are not allowed on this aircraft. FAA regulations prohibit tampering with, disabling, or destroying laboratory smoke detectors. U.S. law also requires passengers to comply with lighted signs and crew member instructions.
Boarding.
Make sure you've switched all smartphones, tablets, and e-readers to airplane mode. For taxi, takeoff, and landing, large electronic devices must be turned off instantly. For international destinations, your flight attendants will advise you if it's necessary to turn off and stow all devices. We'll be taking off soon. Please review the safety card located near your seat. Store the tray table, food and beverages, carry-on items, headrest, and footrest. Ensure your seat back is upright and your seatbelt is securely fastened. Please place your personal item under the seat compartment. If you lose your phone or other device under a seat, ask a flight attendant to help find it. Please do not move the seat, as this can damage the device and its battery.
We know that who you choose to travel with matters as much as where you're going. So thank you for choosing to fly with United.
If you're seated in an exit row, we encourage you to open the window shade for taxi and takeoff. We're going to dim the cabin lights so you can rest. Please buckle your seatbelt over your blanket and clothing so we can see it when we come through the cabin. If you need anything, just press your call button. Thanks again for flying with us. I'll be back with more details about the flight once we're in the air. We'll be coming by to pick up any beverages provided to you by the flight attendants. Flight attendants, please complete final safety checks and be seated.
Trying to predict the future is a hazardous occupation. The only thing we can be sure of is that it will be absolutely fantastic.
forget to check your seat back pocket and area around your seat, and make sure you have all of your belongings, including no purses, backpacks, jackets, phones, iPods, tablets, all of the such. And be careful when opening these overhead bins. To help keep the aircraft comfortable for our next customers, please open your overhead air vent, and if you're sitting next to a window, go ahead and close down the window shade. For those of you with connecting flights, you can use the United app to find directions and estimated walking time to your next gate. And once we arrive at our gate or airport, you'll be more than happy to answer any questions that you might have. If San Francisco is your final stop and you do have checked luggage, you can retrieve your items from baggage carousel 9. Again, any checked luggage may be retrieved from baggage carousel number 9. Your feedback is really important to us, so some of you will receive a survey asking about your experience via email or in the United app. And we'd love to know how you enjoyed your flight with us today. And on behalf of the San Francisco and Chicago-based team and our Star Alliance partners, we thank you for choosing to fly with us. It's been our honor to serve you for the past 100 years, and we do thank you for being a part of our journey. And we look forward to flying you in the friendly skies for the next 100. And once that fasten seatbelt sign is turned off, we ask that you please stand clear of the dual area to allow your flight attendant to complete important safety duties. Thank you, and once again, welcome to San Francisco.